Sometimes we all need a little extra help getting in and out of the truck. AAM Research steps are a great choice, but the Smart Series have a little extra surprise. This step is just as good, if not better, than the other lines of AAM Power Steps, and they have the same features. When the doors are closed and you're driving, the steps fold up underneath the truck. This gives you more clearance than if you had a drop step or a step bar. When the door is open, the steps automatically drop, giving you a lower step to help get in the truck. This lower drop gives you less foot travel when stepping in and out. But what makes these steps different? They've added the ability to deploy the steps without opening the door, all from your phone. The addition of the AAM Step app will give you more flexibility over when you can drop the step. You can drop the step to help access a rooftop rack or the bed of the truck and not worry about opening the doors and letting the dogs out or the bugs in. And the step is strong. It is made from die-cast aluminum with heavy-duty stainless steel pivot pins and has a textured slip-resistant surface. The Smart Series steps have a 600-pound load capacity. The step is a massive 6 inches wide, so this will give you more than enough room for you to step. And at night, the integrated LED step lights will show you the way. The AAM Research steps come with a 5-year warranty and are made in America. If you're interested in the AAM Research Smart Series Power Steps or need help with installation, check out our store locator on screen or in the description below. Be sure to check back each week for new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.